Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time or stop here, you are welcome. I am Blessing Ivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. So in this channel I make video on beauty, DIY skincare, and as well as hair care. So if you are interested in this kind of video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down there to subscribe, and also turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my new videos. So in today's video I will share with you how to shave your natural brow, as well as how to shape your brow and trim your brow. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, because I'll be sharing another tip with you on how to grow your brows. No matter how tiny your natural brow is, like mine, I have a very tiny brow, so I grow my brow to this extent. So if you want to see that, make sure you keep watching, and let's just get right into the video.
Do you want to know?
These are the things I'll be using. I'll use a tiger blade, and I'll be using another blade here, as well as my brow brush. So these are the things. It's a very new one, I've not used it, so make sure you use a new blade. The next thing I'll do is to bring my brows up. So I'm just going to bring it up and here. And if you want to shave your brow, make sure your blade, make sure here is firm, and then this hand is what you will use to control the blade while using it. Then here, I will make sure you raise your eye up this way, and then go ahead to shave. So I have my mirror here with me. You see the way I did it. So here, now that I got here, because I don't want my hand to block my eye, then I will move here. Then see what I'm doing here. Then just so this end of your brush should be tiny. This end here should be tiny than here. Here should be wide and here should be tiny. So I'm just going to concentrate on this place and shape it inside. You can see there's a difference between this one and this one here. See that? So my brow now is on top of my bone here. This is my brown bone. The brow is on top now. So depends on the shape you want. You can see that. So can you see the difference now? You can see that this place is very sharp. And if you are shaving your brow, make sure you take your time, do it gently. You don't have to rush, because if you end up cutting yourself so you have to take time while doing this. So I will just move ahead to the top brow, then comb. So the top brow do not have much work compared to the front. So this is where I will be using my blade here. Then I'll just hold it this way, upward. I'll just hold it upward and remove the excess. And before I do that, make sure to comb it to see the longer side. So I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. See your blade, you can do the same thing also, and hold it this way, and then go. And if you are doing this method, make sure you use a light hand. Use a light hand, don't weigh your hand on it, just use a light hand, and then start removing the excess hair on the top. Then you bring it downward and remove some hair here. And see, you push, use your hand to push it up and then go gently. So this step is very important. Then you brush your brows down, you brush them down like so. You can see when I brush them down, you can see some excess that cross the line. So those ones that cross the line of my brow, that is what I will cut off. Then I'll cut them out. In case you don't have this kind of blade, I will use this tiger blade and show you the same step, and then brush down again and go in. You can see that. Can you see that? You can see this side compared to here. You can see there's a lot different. Move ahead to this side of the brow. So, and I will repeat the same step here. So I'm just shaving my brows. So what I will do now is to clean off my brow, and this tip is very important and it's going to help you. So I'm just sharing it with you, and I've been using it for some time and it's really helpful. It helps your brows to grow back faster, and it also clean up the, when you are using the blade, you might cut yourself mistakenly, or those sharpening area might bring out or some wound, but this method will help you. I'm using this nail polish remover. As you can see here, is nail polish remover, and what I will do, I have my cutting pad here and I will just put a little bit of it. This method is very good and is very pepperish, so I'm going to fill it right now. So I put a little of this nail polish remover in this pad here, and I'll just put it. I want to close my while doing this method. Ladies, if you can't stand it, please don't do it. That's right, it's red. It just was a few seconds, it's gone. So guys, I forgot to use my microphone since. Bra, you need a castor oil here. So I'm just going to apply this castor oil on my brow here, and you can use it on your lashes, and you can use them to glue your lashes. Here is the castor oil, and it's black castor oil, and here I have my brown brush. So I'm just going to dip it in. So for my lashes, I'm just going to apply it as if I'm applying mascara. That is all for this video. So this is how I shave my brows, this is how I grow my brows. So hope this video is helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit on the like button down there to like, and if you have not subscribed, do click on the red subscribe button down there to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.